In the heart of the Philippine countryside, a transformative revolution is underway. One that blends science-based production systems and inclusive value chains, empowering communities long overlooked in this sector. When the Carabao became a research subject, it was like a shot in the arm for its improvement. This endeavor eventually became the seed for the monumental growth of the Carabao as a national commodity and as a program. The Philippine Carabao Center, an attached agency of the Department of Agriculture, is more than a research institution. As a national lead agency for the Carabao Development Program, it is a catalyst for rural transformation through science, technology, and innovation. At PCC, science leads the way. Our research spans critical areas, from animal breeding and genomics, biosafety and environment, reproduction and physiology, production systems and nutrition, product development and innovation, socio-economics, livestock engineering, and intellectual property management. Each discovery is more than a data point. It's a stepping stone toward a higher productivity and more resilient farming communities.
Itong cooperative namin ay nag-umpisa noong September 12, 2012 at ngayon ay lumago sa pamamagitan ng tulong ng DA Philippine Carabao Center. Dumami ang aming mga kalabaw. Mas maganda ang konsepsyon o pagka-fertilize yung mga alaga naming hayop. Ngayon, sa kasalukuyan ay nagkaroon kami ng 3,193 na kalabaw na crossbred, isang patunay na talagang maganda at mahusay yung binigay sa amin na teknolohiya ng Philippine Carabao Center.
Maraming salamat Kalabaw kasi malaki kang natulong sa amin.
Nalaman nila na mangangalabaw o manggagatas. Ang tingin nila sa amin mayaman na agad. Marami na pera. Yun yung tingin nila. Kasi nakikita nila yung pagbabago sa buhay namin talaga.
Through its science-based innovations, PCC has helped establish viable Carabao-based enterprises, empowering local cooperatives and dairy farmers with improved income streams. From high-yielding breeds to value-added products, PCC transforms research into accessible technologies and services that directly benefit communities.
Ako po si Sagani Kahukom, Presidente ng Parista Corn Farmers Association dito po sa Barangay Parista, Lupao, Nueva Ecija. Mula po nung nag-umpisa po kami noong 2013 ng proyekto po sa paggawa po ng silage, marami na po kaming serbisyuhan at natulungan na magkakalabaw, magbabaka at magkakambing. Dahil sa Philippine Carabao Center at DOSTP card, ang aming grupo ay nasubukan namin kumita ng halos 2 milyon sa isang taon.
Ako po si Rudy Sai, taga Katalanakan, kasalukuyan pong chairman ng Katalanakan Multipurpose Cooperative na located sa Purok 3B, Katalanakan, side city of Muñoz. 2015 ay na-launch nga ito dairy box ng Katalanakan Multipurpose Cooperative sa tulong ng mga official ng PCC. Na-launch ito, na-concept ito sa kadahilanan na para magkaroon ng outlet ang mga milk product na i-develop ng multipurpose cooperative sa tulong ng aming mga official sa PCC. So, yung mga may 13 na kaming mga produkto na na-develop sa tulong ng PCC at yung iba naman ay gawa rin ng aming mga technologies o mga graduate na anak ng member namin. Ang kita namin dito ay ngayon, presently 20 up to 2025 ay nag-average na kami ng 2 million to 2.5 ang yearly kita net profit namin dito sa dairy box.
Ako po si Idi Aliado, taga Sinawan Sur, San Agustin, Isabela. Ako po ang membro ng SADACO at awarding Gawad Saka. Kung walang PCC, wala akong kalabaw na bupalo at bupala. Ang una kong nag-umpisaan sa paggagatas, isa lang po. Nakialaga lang akong una noon. Isa lang ang talang ginagatas ko. Nung nalaman ko na maganda talang idol ng gatas, kaya nagparami ako hanggang 24 na ang kalabaw ko ngayon. Tapos may pinalaga pa kong 5. Maganda nan sir yung sa kita. Talagang mayroon ng pang pamilya at saka sa mga estudyante. Pinagpapaaral ko ganun. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa mga PCC at sa mga staff Kung walang mga staff at tapos tumutulong sa amin, hindi ko makamit yung ganito sir
Ako po si Samuel Pulido Mercader, ang tumatayong chairperson ng Eastern Primary Multipurpose Cooperative na matatagpuan dito sa Sibot, San Jose City. Nag-umpisa naman po kami nag-alaga ng kalabaw noong year 2000. So hanggang sa na-assist na kami ng Philippine Carabao Center, simula pa naman noon. So nung nagkaroon ng milk feeding program, talagang doon na talaga nakilala yung ating gatas ng kalabaw. Kapag siya ay naipaprocess natin at ito ay naibebenta natin sa mas mataas na halaga. So doon nagkaroon ng mas malaking kita at doon din nag-umpisang makapagpundar ng mga kagamitan si kooperatiba.
Ito yung pinaka-unique na program ng government through DA and PCC kasi ang intervention niya kompleto from production, processing, up to marketing.
PCC's commitment to excellence goes beyond the lab, reaching the clients it serves through its robust extension and advisory efforts. Through hands-on training, farmer education, and continuous knowledge transfer, PCC equips communities with tools and skills to grow their enterprises and their futures. As a hub of scientific excellence and livestock innovations, PCC leads research that shapes policy. Its data-driven decision-making approach in implementing the Carabao Development Program has paved the way for a vibrant Carabao value chain across the country. Its research publications, position papers, and policy recommendations influence national strategies in livestock, agriculture, and rural development. PCC's impact is amplified by national and global partnerships with universities, NGOs, and multilateral organizations working together for greater reach and innovation. It also invests in what matters most, its people. Through continuous training, upskilling, and values formation, PCC fosters a culture of excellence, professionalism, integrity, commitment, and socio-ecological responsibility. This commitment has not gone unnoticed. From local honors to international accolades, PCC has been recognized as trailblazer in agricultural research and innovation. From farm to lab and back to the field, the Philippine Carabao Center continues to ensure sectoral sustainability outcomes by turning knowledge into action, building livelihoods through innovation, and harnessing the power of science toward nation building.